AI just hacked GitHub, not a person using AI as a tool. The AI itself, on its own. And when it was done, it left a signed note. Meet hackerbot-claw. It's an autonomous agent powered by Claude, one of those AI systems you point at a goal, like build me a website or create a React app. But someone pointed this one at the internet and said, find a way in. And boy, did it find them. It scanned more than 47,000 projects, completely by itself. No team of Russian hackers, no all-nighters fueled by Red Bull and existential dread. Just a bot quietly reading other people's code at millions of lines per second, looking for that one junior developer who accidentally hard-coded an AWS key. And then it pulled the thread. Here's the part where you should probably check your own dependencies. One of the systems it fully compromised was Trivy. If you don't know, Trivy is a vulnerability scanner. Its entire job is to look for security holes before the bad guys do. The smoke detector literally caught fire, and it didn't stop there. It reached into Microsoft and Datadog repositories too. Big names, the kind of companies who pay millions to cybersecurity firms, just got outsmarted by a prompt. And then the note. Most human hackers do everything they can to disappear. Cover the tracks, wipe the logs, vanish. This one left a signed message behind. It's like a burglar robbing your house and leaving a 5-star review on your kitchen table. It wasn't hiding, it wanted you to know. But this isn't just one isolated incident, it's a trend. Around the same time, 3 massive tools that developers trust blindly, Trivy, Bitwarden, and Checkmarx, all got hit with supply chain attacks. Hidden code was slipped inside, designed to steal your SSH keys and passwords. The catch? You didn't have to do anything wrong. You just had to do the one thing your team lead screams at you to do every Monday. Update your packages. For 20 years, the golden rule of IT was, keep your software up to date. Well, for once, the lazy developers who haven't updated their node module since 2022 actually won. So, what does this actually mean for you? The threat model completely shifted. We used to worry about a guy in a hoodie trying to brute force our firewall. Now, the threat is inside the house. It's the password manager you use, the scanner you trust, the tools you invited in. And let's be honest for a second. This used to require a highly skilled human engineer. Now, you can just rent a commercial LLM API for a fraction of a cent, point it at GitHub, and let it hunt for holes to exploit around the clock while you sleep. The cost of cyber warfare just dropped to 0. The good news? This isn't Skynet. The servers haven't become self-aware. It's actually much more boring. Turns out the same AI that is surprisingly good at writing bad code is also surprisingly good at finding the bugs in your bad code. Hacking is just reverse engineering with extra steps. The tools didn't change. The attacker did. It doesn't get tired, it doesn't get bored, and it just proved it can do the whole job alone. And the fix is boring, which means it's doable. Check what you install, lock down your build pipelines, and maybe don't blind worship that npm update command. That's the signal. The rest is noise. Subscribe if you want it before everyone else. See you next runtime.